Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today I've got a beautiful 2026 Tesla Model S Plaid in frost blue. If you haven't seen this color, wow, this thing's truly a hitter. So it's a super nice car, and this customer wanted to upgrade his wheels and tires. And we have on here the TSR 20-inch square wheel in satin black. This is a flow forged wheel finished in satin black, and it's a square setup, meaning the front wheel and the rear wheel are the same size. And that's important for you because this setup will allow you to rotate tires and get the maximum tire wear out of these tires on your Model S Plaid. This is a 285/35 20-inch tire, and it looks really good. I would say it's a good compromise between the factory staggered set, where the front is actually a narrow wheel and the back is a wider wheel. This square setup allows you to rotate. The staggered setup will not let you rotate. On staggered, you can only go side to side, not front to rear, because the wheels are different sizes front to rear. But this thing looks good. So the T-sportline wheels, the offset, everything is right for the Model S. These wheels are made specifically for Model S. So the center hub, the bolt pattern, the offset back spacing is for proper fitment. There are no hub rings, no special adapters, no aftermarket lug nuts required. This uses factory lug nuts, and all of our wheels come with a T-sportline center cap, but if you want to put a Tesla center cap in, factory Tesla center caps will plug right into our wheels as well. Okay, so if you're thinking about upgrading your wheels for your Tesla Model S, check these out, tsportline.com. We offer these as a set of wheels or as a set of wheels and tires already mounted, balanced, ready to bolt on. And of course, we have the DIY tools so that if you have nothing, you can just get that from us. We can set it up where you can easily bolt these on at your house or ship them to a shop to install for you. All right, everybody, I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the looks of this Model S. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more upgrades coming your way.